If you want a faster way to access your saved websites in Google Chrome, this quick tutorial will show you how to view bookmarks in the side panel in just a few clicks. This is especially useful if you like keeping your browsing organized and want an easier way to open your bookmarks without digging through menus every time. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Now let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, look for the three vertical dots. This is Chrome's main menu, and it contains a lot of useful options for managing your browsing experience. Click the three vertical dots to open the menu. Once the menu appears, move your mouse over the option that says Bookmarks and Lists. When you hover over it, a new submenu will appear with more bookmark-related options. This is where Chrome keeps the settings for showing and managing your saved pages. In that submenu, click Show Bookmarks in Side Panel. As soon as you select it, Chrome will open your bookmarks in the side panel, usually on the left side of the browser. From there, you can quickly browse through your saved bookmarks, open them with one click, and keep them visible while you continue surfing the web. This makes it much easier to multitask and find important pages without leaving your current tab. If you ever want to close the side panel, you can simply use the same menu again or toggle the panel off from Chrome's interface. So just to recap, click the three dots, hover over Bookmarks and Lists, and then click Show Bookmarks in Side Panel. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to view bookmarks in the side panel in Chrome. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick browser tip like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.